Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use Educator's Handbook, specifically to do minor incidents. First, we want to go to the ansonschools.org homepage, which should look like this. Once there, we're going to find Educator's Handbook right under our Rapid Identity, NC, ED Cloud, Login, Odyssey. So we're going to click right here, Educator's Handbook. Now, if you've never accessed it, you can click Can't Access Account if you don't know what your password is, but your email is going to be the Anson Schools email, the anson.k12 one. If you forget your password, you can click Can't Access Account, and then you put in that same email and hit Send Instructions, and it'll actually send you a way to reset your password. But if you know your password, you can go ahead and put it in. It should be something similar to your email password. And once in, you're taken to, if you don't see your name, you're probably in the wrong spot, but you're taken to this page here to create an incident. If it's a minor incident, something that you didn't send the kid out of the class for, you're going to click here, the little pen and paper thing, and we're going to click Not Office Referral. That is something that administration will put in if a student is sent to the Learning Lab. But if it is something minor incident where the student is still in your classroom, you can click minor. It's important that you have the correct day. So if it happened today, here you go. Try to be kind of as quick as you can about this. In my experience, it just helps me remember. And as best you can, the time. This will help if a student is, habitually committing minor incidents at the same time. Maybe we can problem solve that. Or if it's happening all the time, then that's also another conversation we can have. You want to choose the location. Let's say it happened in the classroom, your classroom. Let's say I was teaching social studies and choose an arrangement. Maybe the kids were in, let's say, seat work. Next, I'm going to choose the offense. Let's say the student was just disruptive. So disruptive behavior. If I want to, I can provide a description. So maybe something like the student was disrupting during the presentation after, he was given opportunities to redirect the behavior, something like that. And then hit save. I'm not going to save that. And then down here, which is very important, you're going to add the offender. So here is a search bar that you can search for any student in the school. So search them, click their name. I'm not going to pull up a student right now because I don't want to show the that information. But once we have all that, then we're going to click save right here. I'm not going to click save for a second. And that's pretty much it for a minor incident. If you want to, you can even, there's one more thing to show you. You can come up with a roster. So this is something that needs to be approved, but say you're a coach. So maybe I call this baseball team. Then I can go ahead and search and add students into this baseball team roster for myself that shows me all those students, and every time they get a minor incident or a office referral, it'll pop up for me. Here, I'll have a list of kids here. It needs to be approved. So once you again click that little plus button, you need to request approval. But if you are a coach or someone with a club, or even if you want maybe your advisory to see how your advisory is going, to see all the students in your advisory, you can kind of track their behavior incidents. Again, it does need to be approved. And back here, we can track all of my personal office referrals or minor incidents or pending incidents. So this is where that would take place if I had any. Again, minor incidents are something that stays in the classroom. If a student is removed from the classroom, that would be an office referral, but that is something that the Learning Lab, Mr. James will put in or an administrator will put in. All right, hope that helps everybody. If you have any questions, feel free to email the admin and let us know. Have a good day.